Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy M31s and I'm gonna show you how to record the slow motion video at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change it by using the settings bar and just simply going to the right here to more. Here we have access to other modes of this camera, and we have the slow motion mode and also the super slow motion, so you can pick whatever you need. Now let me stay on the standard slow motion to show you how it works, and as you can see, by just tapping on it we get access to it, and now we can start recording this kind of video by using this big button at the center. So let me start. And now let's stop by tapping again on this button. To see the video, let's move to the left corner at the bottom to this one. Here we get quick access to the gallery, and this is our slow motion video. So this is how it looks like at this device. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.